In this video, Bitcoin is inside of this falling wedge for the very short term, and right now we are going to talk about this latest price action for the short term only. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and yeah, let's now look into this analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis kasi binanggit natin yung bigger time frame. Now, let's talk about the smaller time frame, which is yung mga short-term pump and dump movement na nakikita natin sa mga smaller time frames. So, with that being said, let's now dive into this video. So, yeah, before we start our technical analysis, may gusto muna akong pag-usapan na bagong offerings ni Bybit, and this is specifically for investors na nag-aabang ng mga pwedeng nilang pag-investan, and short-term movement lang naman siya. If let's say we are in a consolidation, at least yung pera nyo pa rin is gumagalaw kahit hindi nyo siya kinakalikot. And that is actually one of the big offering na ina-offer ngayon ni Bybit structured products. And of course, if you're also going to join this product din na ina-offer ni Bybit, you are also entitled to win of up to 0.1 Bitcoin airdrop, or roughly around 1 Ethereum airdrop. And that's equivalent around, maybe pwede kayo makakuha na around $80,000 of price pool dito with Bybit. So let's talk about first itong dual asset na to, or actually yung structured products. Dual asset is one of the products na offer ni Bybit. So itong structured products ni Bybit, it's actually a very good investment if let's say you want to maximize yung mga pump and dump movement. So let's give you an example scenario. So if let's say yung crypto natin is ganito lang, on a sideways action, of course, ang hirap naman niya i-monitor yan palagi, di ba? Na if let's say, aabangan nyo si Ethereum bumagsak ng $2,800 para i-monitor, tapos i-monitor nyo siya every day. Of course, ang hirap i-check nun. You can actually just check if we are in a consolidation. Tapos if let's say we are in a consolidation, then of course, this asset or this product na ino-offer ni Bybit is actually a very good product for you, kasi itong product na isa na in-offer nila, which is number one of the biggest products nila, which is the dual asset. Itong dual asset na to allows you to invest Bitcoin, na not only Bitcoin but as well as other crypto like Ethereum. So if let's say bumababa si Ethereum around dito, let's say bumagsak siya dito, pwede kayong maghanap ng potential entry dito by checking dual asset dito. So if you're going to open the dual asset page upon opening the Bybit structured products, so you can actually see kung ano yung pwede nyong tingnan na crypto dito. So for example, kay Ethereum, yung sinesearch natin, let's search for Ethereum, you can actually find all of the different areas na pwede nyong i-re-entry. So if let's say you want to re-enter ngayon kay Ethereum dito, problema kasi diba medyo tumaas na siya, but at the same time nahihirapan kayong alamin kung aling area kayo dito mag-re-enter, either 3,600 or 3,500 or 3,400, you can check out itong ino-offer ni dual asset na pwede nyong i-enter na price range. So as you can see, pwede kayo mag-check around $3,700, tapos ano yung potential return nyo doon by entering this specific entry price, as well as for other products dito, you can actually check all of those different entry price dito kay Ethereum by actually just checking dual asset. So if let's say gusto nyo maghanap ng pwede nyong re-entry, you can actually use dual asset. And ang maganda dito is you can actually check an amount na pwede nyo re-enter dito by looking at the different product plan dito sa dual asset. So ayun guys, yun yung isa sa mga first part ng dual asset video na structured product na offer ni Bybit. So hindi ko na ipapakita yung buong clip, but if you want to check out yung buong structured product offerings ni Bybit, you can actually find that guys in the description down below. May video din, may full video din tayo doon tungkol dun sa structured products. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description down below para makita nyo din siya guys. Anyway, back to the video. As you can see guys, dito kay Bitcoin right now, it's actually forming a falling wedge in the 4-hour time frame. So it's not actually a very short term, siguro between short to mid term siya. But as you can see, if you're going to look at this closely, you can see na meron tayong clear support and resistance forming dito. And at the same time, you can see now we are forming that resistance, that support area. It's very consistent. And as you can see on top of that, you can also find that we are also forming a bullish divergence, whenever the price is decreasing while the RSI is increasing. Those are traditional signs of a bullish reversal dito. But I don't think na it's going to be a long-term bullish reversal. What I think it's going to be is just a short-term pump up until the target of this wedge, which is traditionally the top of the wedge, which is, as you can see, it's playing around the 68,500 US dollars. So right now, as you can see, we can actually open this new trade. Ako, before this video, actually, nag-open ako ng trade around the 65,000 US dollars, 55,500. So, nag-open ako ng long position dito and our target price is around the 66,500. Though, ang ginawa ko ngayon is nag-set ako ng stop loss. Always remember to always put a stop loss. Nag-set ako around the 64,800. And ano ba yung mga iba't ibang targets natin dito? So, yung first target natin dito is around the 66,600 US dollars. So, the moment na ma-reach natin yung target na yan, of course, magkakaroon tayo ng significant resistance dyan. So, as much as possible, if na-meet natin yung target na yon, we're going to adjust our stop loss into a trail stop, siguro around the 65,800. Para if ever na, let's say, this is going to continue this movement, then we can continue to the final target, which is around the 68,500. But if let's say, anong nangyari kasi dyan, if let's say, nagkaroon na tayo ng rejection, tapos bumaba na siya dire-diretso, at kinontinue niya yung downtrend, then kahit papano, may na-secure tayong profit na nga dito. Kahit 9% man yan, or 8%, it's all good. As long as we are making profit dito, then that's already a significant profit na din. So, yun nga, the reason na why we are putting those stop loss and trail stop is para ma-secure natin yung, number one, yung capital, para if ever na let's say bigla siyang bumagsak, kahit anong trade na inopen natin, secured yung capital natin, at meron tayong pera para makapag-open ng new trade. The number two is para if let's say, if ever na nasa profit sa tayo, tapos biglang bumagsak, masasecure natin yung kahit anumang profit na may matira tayo, masasalvage natin yung profit na yun. So, right now, as you can see na we are inching closer and closer to our first target. It's actually looking good right now for the Bitcoin price action dito for the short term. But yun nga, technically speaking, ang final target natin dito is around the 68,500 US dollars. Take note guys, if you want to learn this analysis na ginawa ko, kasi of course, nagawa ko na tong video the moment na nagkaroon na tayo ng breakout. And if let's say wala pa akong ma-post, kasi of course busy ako sa labas ng YouTube, if ever na you want to take advantage of those trades nga na hindi nyo pa nakikita dito, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. May tutorial playlist tayo on those different analysis na ginagawa ko dito. So, para if ever hindi pa ako nakapag-post ng video, kahit pa paano, alam nyo na din kagad kung ano yung mga pwede nyo i-open na next trades dito kay Bitcoin. So, ayun guys, if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign-up link na you can find the description down below. If you want to learn how to deposit kay Bybit, it's also available din sa Gabs Crypto 101. So, on top of those step-by-step tutorial on different analysis, you can also learn yung deposit then and how to, of course, earn more with Bybit. So, all of those links are available, guys, in the description down below. But anyway, just a quick and short update lang. We are going to update you guys in the next video if ano ba mangyayari dito, if this is going to continue this bullish movement or is this going to lead into a fake out. We are going to give you an update on that sa next video. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. Quick update lang and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.